It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
My name's Zach, and this is my 1979 Malibu SS. It's my first car. Me and my dad worked on it throughout the whole winter, and it did not look like this when we first got it. And I'm 14 years old, and I'm never ever gonna sell it.
Today we're going to learn about a father and son project that started out with just a plain Jane 1979 Malibu sedan that morphed into what it is today. And we're going to tell you a little bit about this story and the journey, how we got here. What you see now is just a plain Jane 79 Malibu. It's what we started out with. Now Junior here, my son, was always a gearhead. He had everything he could as a father could give him and build him, from Earnhardt cars to a chopper we built together. And he even got to hang around some celebrities as he grew up, luckily enough. But before that began, before the build, I had 4 brain surgeries to the world's most painful disease called trigeminal cephalgia neuralgia, otherwise known as suicide headaches. Right after I had my 4th brain surgery, we started with this car. As you can see, we started on a low budget build with having to polish our own wheels, buying secondhand rims and tires, my son scraping the trunk out, restoring it. I taught my boy at age 14 how to build a car and how to restore one, how to maintain one. And before I taught him how to make it look pretty and go fast, I taught him how to do everything safety related first. Before you can go fast, you must be able to stop, steer, and start. As you can see throughout this, we fixed the car up quite a bit, and it was a great learning process for my son at the time. Every day after school and on weekends we thrashed on it. That's before my health got a lot worse. So it was great then. It was a great learning experience. I don't think I could have asked for a better time bonding with my son after brain surgery. And now that my health has deteriorated, that was the only chance that I had putting this car together with him. And you see we've replaced everything from dash, put a console, tilt wheel, gauges. And even Jay Leno signed the car with some other celebrities that are on the glove box there. And that was the second time we've met Jay. And my son was also very fortunate to tour his garage. So now we've rebuilt the car, recurved the distributor, fresh plugs, wires, cap, rotor, headers, dual exhaust, put a 350 turbo tranny with a 2400 stall, 373 posi rear end. We named the car the Mordor SS. And you can see my wife and I are out enjoying it out on the beach and taking around to car shows. I've been very fortunate and blessed to have that time with my son, and I look at those memories with great fondness and admiration. And now my son can go through life with a bit of knowledge, some tools, and know-how on how to maintain, fix, and repair his vehicle.